channel, Sharp Designs by Lakeisha, where I'm designing my way through life and balling on a budget. Today's video is all about this beautiful floor wall behind me, guys. I'm sure you're looking at this video, looking at me with this flower crown on my head and this dress like, girl, why are you so dressed up? But I was just so excited. I felt like I should get in the theme of things to share this with you guys. So I was browsing online for some new office decor, which is gonna be another vlog that I'm gonna do later on because I'm redoing it. And I was also looking for a backdrop for parts of my videos where I'm just speaking like this. You know, I'm trying to jazz it up for y'all or whatever. So I found this $20. There is no amount of Dollar Tree DIY work that you will do that will get you a backdrop this size for $20. If you cannot tell, it is actually a backdrop, like legit printout and backdrop. But the flowers look so good. When I first got it, I did a couple selfies with it. I'm like, I low-key can't tell that that's a backdrop behind me. So I thought it would be a good idea to share it with you guys. Yeah, so if you have a bit of an imagination, you're probably looking at this and you're already thinking, ooh, this will be perfect with a table in front with a beautiful tablecloth, cake, cupcakes, candy, whatever kind of dessert or treat table you're doing. And then also some swag draping on both sides of it with a pretty, maybe some flowers on the ends of that. Maybe even some actual small fresh floral arrangements on the dessert table that you're doing, or even some grand ones that would give it the 3D dimension, which would make it look even better for your photos when you're for the event, because people really won't be able to tell that this is like a backdrop with some drapings on the ends of it. Like, you just have to dress it up a little bit, but it will save you a lot of time and effort into making one if you don't have the time. Now, if you have the time, I think it would look awesome if you did an actual floor wall, but this backdrop will save you so much time. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys an up close look, show you some selfies that I did with it to prove that this bad boy works. Like, guys, get into this backdrop, honey. How pretty is that? As you cannot tell me that this backdrop is not beautiful. Did you imagine your selfies? Okay, maybe not, but I will have this link below in the description box if you want to check it out. Like up close and personal. The flowers look so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. And then I'm gonna back up so you can see the full thing. This is how it is. I have it, and this is the 5x7 backdrop. Move my chair out the way. This is the 5x7 backdrop. They have a bigger one, which is like 10x8. But I just got this one to test it out, and I wanted, if you came across it, I wanted to let you know that it is legit, and it's ombre. So it starts off with white with touches of pink, and then it just kind of goes down. It's beautiful, guys. And this is the pole that I used to hang it. And then I just use my gator clips, one on this end and then one on this end. And that is how I set it up. So as I said, you could use this for the backdrop for some type of sweets table, even just for pictures. If you're just going to use it for a backdrop for pictures, this is perfect for a DIY photo booth. All right, and while I have you guys here, I would like to start doing something new on my channel. For all of my subscribers, if you could, if you're having some type of event come up and you have a project that you want to work on but you're not really sure how to get started, what I would like for you guys to start doing is send me a message on my Instagram page, Sharp Designs by _Lakeisha, and I will go through the messages that I get and start doing those projects for DIY videos. I've been trying to come up with some creative and new ideas for you guys that I hope you guys love. But I do find that a lot of the things that I think about are on YouTube. I might have my own way to do something, which is the only time that I really repeat a video. But I don't want to start making things repetitive. I want to do things that are really going to help you guys out. So if you come across a project that you want me to give a try, send it to me on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram page, and I will start going through my DMs and picking out those for projects to show you guys how to do them. If you're one of my Atlanta subscribers, I guess I could just meet you and give it to you so that you can use it for your event. And if you're one of my out-of-state subscribers, then I'll figure something out for you. If it's nothing too crazy, I could probably just mail it. I hope that you guys were able to find this video useful. If you do buy this backdrop and you use it, please tag me on Instagram or send me a message on Instagram. I would love to see your work. And if anybody's trying anything that I have on my channel and it works out for you, please tag me. I would love to see your work. Also, please, if you have not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I don't know where I'm going to place it on here, but go ahead and tap that picture so that you can subscribe and not miss another video. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Holla!